Hi guys, I hope all is well. So we have an O-level past paper question of the year 2019. The session is October-November. This is question number 6. We'll discuss how to make variable subjects and we'll solve for x. Let's start. So the question in front of us says, rearrange the formula v equal to 3 over p plus 5 to make p the subject. How do we do that? Now first, p needs to be in the numerator because it's in the denominator. Let's bring it up. Let's cross multiply it. So when we cross multiply it, we get v times p plus 5 equal to 3. Now the next step is I take the v below the 3 so that the formula becomes p plus 5 equal to 3 over v. Now the last step is, of course, p is equal to 3 over v minus 5. Hence p is your subject. So we write this right here. Okay, next part. Express as a single fraction in its simplest form, x over 2x minus 5 plus 3 over x minus 6. Okay, so first of all, if we have to write it as a single fraction, that means 2x minus 5 is being multiplied by x minus 6 to make it the lowest common multiple. So we multiply x with x minus 6 and we multiply 3 with 2x minus 5. Let's open this up. We get x square minus 6x plus 6x minus 15 over 2x minus 5 times x minus 6. Now we don't have to open this up. It's not necessary to do that, but if you want, you can go ahead and multiply these two factors as well. Okay, so what we get eventually is, since the negative 6x and the positive 6x cancel each other out, we are left with x square minus 15 over 2x minus 5 and x minus 6. So let's write that over here. X square minus 15 over 2x minus 5 and x minus 6. I hope this is visible. Let's move on. The next part says, solve 4x plus 5 over 1 minus 3x equal to 2. That means if I have to write this down as two separate fractions, I would do 4x plus 5 over 1 minus 3x equal to 2 over 1. Okay, so now I cross multiply. I cross multiply 1 minus 3x with 2 and I multiply 1 with 4x plus 5. So 4x plus 5 multiplied by 1 remains as it is. 2 times 1 minus 3x gives you 2 minus 6x. Okay, let's bring the x's together and let's bring the normal numbers together. So 6x, negative 6x goes to the left and positive 5 comes to the right. So I have 4x plus 6x equal to 2 minus 5. So I have 10x on the left and I have negative 3 on the right. X is equal to negative 3 over 10. I hope this is visible. 1 second. Minus 3 over 10. Okay, let's move on to the last part now. The last part says solve 5 times x plus 3 equal to 2x times 2x minus 1. That means we have to find the values of x. So let's start multiplying. I'll start directly. So I multiply 5 with x plus 3. I get 5x plus 15 equal to 2x times 2x gives me 4x square minus 2x. Okay, now since I have simplified this, I need to bring everything on one side of the equal sign. So I take this to the right so that x square remains positive. So eventually I get 4x square minus 2x minus 5x minus 15. So I get 4x square minus 7x minus 15. Okay, now there are two methods or three methods to do this. One is to use the quadratic formula. The other one is to break the middle term. The shortest is breaking the middle term. How we do that is, first we multiply this 4 with this 15. 4 times 15 is 60. Then you find the factors of 60. So I start dividing it by 2. I get 30. Then I divide 30 by 2. I get 15. Then I divide this by 3. I get 5. And then I divide 5 by 5. I get 1. Now out of these factors, I have to make negative 7. So let's try that. So 2 times 3 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay. So 12 minus 5 gives me 7, but it needs to be negative 7. So instead I write 4x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 15. Then I find the factors of this side and then of this side. So I write 4x, and inside the parentheses I write x minus 3. And then I write 5, and inside the brackets I write x minus 3 again. Since these two are same, I have x minus 3 as one of the factors and 4x plus 5 as the other factor. To find the value of x, I set both of them equal to 0, so x is equal to 3 in this case. And then 4x plus 5 equal to 0 gives me x equal to negative 5 over 4, or what is 5 divided by 2? 5 divided by 4 is 1.25 or negative 1.25. So the two values that I get are negative 5 over 4 or 3. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of this question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.